Today, we are diving into a head-to-head battle between two all-terrain contenders, the Falken Wildpeak AT3W and the Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain AT002. One is a long-standing favorite, trusted since 2015, while the other, launched in 2023, brings modern innovations to the table. Let's see how they stack up in various conditions. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Falken Wildpeak AT3W set as the reference point at 100%. Starting with gravel handling, the Falken Wildpeak AT3W outpaces the Bridgestone Dueler AT002 by 1 km per hour. In gravel braking, the Falken stops 0.9 meters shorter at 11.2 meters. However, gravel traction is evenly matched, with the Falken measuring at 4.22 newtons and the Bridgestone slightly ahead at 4.23 newtons. In sand traction, both tyres are identical, achieving 1.85 newton. But in mud traction, the Falken tyres takes the lead, delivering 0.97 newton compared to Bridgestone's 0.92 newton, offering better grip in muddy conditions. In snow braking, the Falken stops 5.9 meters shorter at 30.1 meters, a significant advantage over the Bridgestone's 36 meters. Snow traction follows the same trend, with the Falken pulling ahead by 0.29 newtons. Snow handling shows that Falken completing the lap 3.1 km per hour faster compared to Bridgestone. The Falken continues to excel in wet braking, stopping 2.8 meters shorter at 37.7 meters compared to Bridgestone's 40.5 meters. Wet handling further reinforced its dominance, achieving a 1.6 km per hour faster than Bridgestone. In aquaplaning resistance, the Falken also leads with 68 km per hour, which is 1.9 km per hour better than Bridgestone. Dry braking see Bridgestone taking the upper hand, stopping 1.6 meters shorter compared to Falken. It also edges in dry handling, completing the lap 1 km per hour faster. In noise, the Bridgestone is quieter, producing 72.9 dB, which is 0.5 dB lower than Falken. Roaring resistance is identical for both tyres, measuring it with a coefficient value of 9, offering no advantage to either. In summary, the Bridgestone Dueler AT002 impresses with its dry braking and quieter ride. On the other hand, the Falken Wildpeak AT3W delivers superior performance in wet, snow, and off-road conditions, making it a more versatile all-terrain choice.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.